Okay. So hello everyone. This is the Industry 4.0 group, comprised of team members Koty, David, James, myself, Amey, Eddie, and Haylah. So we are the team which works on implementing the concepts of Industry 4.0 at the foundry at Michigan Tech. To to give you a basic brief introduction about the project, it was proposed as teaching Industry 4.0 to the mechanical engineering technology students uh, at Michigan Tech in the pilot scale steel and metal processing facilities. So the project was started 3 years ago, which was awarded a grant for 3 years and 25,000 US dollars to implement the concepts of Industry 4.0 at Michigan Tech, at Foundry at Michigan Tech. So basically, we will be we the project itself covers the pillars of cybersecurity, system integration, big data and analytics, etc. So this project will be helping students understand the concepts of the Industry 4.0 in the area of steel manufacturing, not only restricted to steel manufacturing, but many more. So this is the third year of the project, and we are more focused on finishing what was started by the previous groups.
So as we move into this digital era of manufacturing, processes that are used in manufacturing are using newer and newer technology, and we wanted to give students access to this newer technology. And so we had a very large focus on the wireless transmission and automation of data collection and data storage into a central file server.
So on the data collection end, we have three main tools we implemented. These tools are the Heraeus Digitemp E, several cameras, and the Heroku data logger. These three devices help record different measurements such as temperature or footage that can help in different areas such as experiments, labs, or even just the teaching process with the cameras, as we can have footage of those processes. All of these devices fit Industry 4.0 standards and have things such as wireless capabilities. Some can even have cloud technology, but the goal is to have all these devices recording data, and then it sends it all to a central storage location where more can be done with it there.
For the data transmission storage, all the data from all the devices need to be stored into a singular central location. And that's where we use the Synology Disk Station to host a file server. That way, it is a very easy to use system and secure. It's all on a fully internalized network that's completely separate from the MTU network because of the optical emission spectrometer needing to have special settings that wouldn't allow it to be on the MTU network. We have to have a fully internalized private network that doesn't have internet access. And to do that, we had to build a full system where everything could communicate with the file server and centralize all the data into the singular location.
So for the future, the Foundry could look at getting many more systems or processes that could be updated to new standards and help even more with the data collection or data storage process. This could be from more temperature recorders to even more cameras if they want it. They can continue to move in a fully wireless direction if they want. And as always, the industry is always constantly evolving with new technologies and practices being implemented. So as those come out, they can keep up to date with them, and then the students would have the most up to date technologies to work with in their labs and such to practice with for the workforce.